Hello my dear friends, Jai Hind to all of you. Today I am going to describe about the preamble of the Constitution. It is the most important part of our Constitution. It is also known as the identity card of the Indian Constitution. First of all, I am going to describe from where we inspired the Constitution of our country. As you are saw that American Constitution was the first began with preamble. We can say that in all over the world, America was the first country who included preamble in their constitution. We also inspired this preamble from the American Constitution. But the language of the preamble was taken from the Australia Constitution. Preamble was moved by the Objective Resolution by P.T. Nehru on 13 December 1946 in our Constituent Assembly, but it should be adopted by 22 जनवरी 1947. हमारा जो प्रस्तावना है वह 13 दिसंबर 1946 में पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू द्वारा प्रस्तावित किया गया था, लेकिन हमारी संविधान सभा ने इसको 22 जनवरी 1947 में इसको हमारे संविधान में अडॉप्ट किया था. द टर्म प्रियम्बल का मतलब होता है इंट्रोडक्शन और प्रीफेस टू द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. बाय दिस वी कैन से दैट द प्रियम्बल इज ए इंट्रोडक्टरी पार्ट ऑफ द आवर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. नाउ देयर आर सम कोटेशन ऑफ सम पोर्शन. फर्स्ट वन इज according to N.A. Palkiwala, an eminent jurist and constitutional expert called the preamble as the identity card of the constitution. So you have to remind that who said that preamble as the identity card of the constitution. Now there is another person who is known as Pandit Thakur Das Bhargava, another member of the Constitutional Assembly, who was the member of the Constitutional Assembly, called the preamble as the most precious part of the constitution. Pandit Thakur Das Bhargava said that preamble is the most precious part of the constitution. preamble प्रस्तावना हमारे संविधान का बहुत ही कीमती अंग है. इसको इट इज द सोल ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. ये हमारे संविधान का आत्मा एंड कुंजी भी है. So if anybody asks to you who said that preamble is the soul of the constitution or it is the key to the constitution, then you have to reply that Pandit Thakur Das Bhargava said that preamble is the soul and key to the constitution. Now I will describe you that the whole preamble of our country, our constitution. Now I will describe to you whole preamble of our constitution. In this preamble, it started that we the people of India, having solemnly resolved constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure all its citizens. हम सभी भारत के लोग भारत को सोवरेन, संप्रभुत्व, सामाजिक, धर्मनिरपेक्ष, लोकतांत्रिक और गणतंत्र बनाकर और सारे नागरिकों को सुरक्षा प्रदान करेंगे. जस्टिस हमें इन आवर preamble there are three types of justice will be provided: justice, social, economic and political. So our preamble provides three types of justice to all the citizens of our country. There are five types of liberty which should be included in our preamble: liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship. इस प्रकार हमारे संविधान में 5 प्रकार का स्वतंत्रता को प्रोवाइड किया गया है. इक्वलिटी ऑफ स्टेटस एंड अपॉर्चुनिटी टू प्रमोट अमंग देम ऑल. सबको समान अधिकार है कि वो अपने जीवन में अपने स्टेटस को अपने आप को आगे बढ़ाएं. फ्रेटर्निटी ऑफ शेयरिंग द डिग्निटी ऑफ द इंडिविजुअल एंड यूनिटी एंड इंटीग्रिटी ऑफ द नेशन. द वर्ड फ्रेटर्निटी मीन्स कॉमन ब्रदरहुड. इस प्रकार हम अपने देश को सभी व्यक्ति को मान सम्मान, प्रतिष्ठा, यूनिटी, एकता और अखंडता को बरकरार रखेंगे. इन आवर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन असेंबली दिस 26 नवंबर 1949, हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन असेंबली में 26 नवंबर 1949 को हम अपने आप को यह संविधान अडॉप्ट इनेक्ट और गिव आवर सेल्फ दिस कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. इस प्रकार 26 नवंबर 1949 को हम अपने आप को यह संविधान समर्पित करते हैं. नाउ वी विल लुक फर्दर. There are three types of justice which should be provided in our constitution. The ideal of justice, social, economical and political. We have taken these three terms from the Russian Revolution in 1917. If anybody asks to you from where we take the three types of justice in our country, then you have to reply that the social, economic and political has been taken from the Russian Revolution. The ideal of liberty, equality and fraternity in our preamble. जो विचारधारा ने स्वतंत्रता, समानता और भाईचारा का है वो हम रशियन रिवॉल्यूशन फ्रेंच रिवॉल्यूशन 1789 से अडॉप्ट किए हैं। नाउ विल फर्दर cover that whether preamble is a part of constitution or not. There are two cases related with whether the preamble is a part of our constitution or not. First case, the Berubari case. In Berubari case 1960, Supreme Court said that preamble is not the part of constitution. So, as it is not part of constitution, so that preamble is not amendment. As you know that amendment, what is amendment? Amendment is a process through which a change should be done in our constitution under the Article 368. In second case, in the Kesavanand Bharati case in 1793, the Supreme Court rejected his earlier opinion and said that preamble is a part of constitution and it should be amended. But जो दूसरा केस रहा केशवानंद भारती का, वो 1793 में सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने अपने पूर्व जो विचारधारा है उसमें परिवर्तित करते हुए बोली कि जो प्रियम्बल है हमारे हमारे संविधान का पार्ट है और इसमें यह संशोधनीय है, मतलब इसमें किसी प्रकार का परिवर्तन किया जाता है। सो नाउ टिल there is only one amendment to be done in our constitution. In the 42nd Constitution Amendment Act 1976, the preamble has been amended only once so far. आज तक हमारे संविधान प्रस्तावना में केवल एक बार परिवर्तन किया गया। वो परिवर्तन 42वें संविधान संशोधन 1976 में किया गया था, जिसमें 3 शब्द नए जोड़े गए थे: सोशलिस्ट, सेकुलर और इंटीग्रेटिव। सोशलिस्ट मीन्स ऑल द पीपल हैव द इक्वल एक्सेस टू ऑल द रिसोर्सेज ऑफ आवर कंट्री। सेकुलर means there is no any official religious in our country, and integrative indicate the unity and integrity of the nation. By this way, we cover the whole preamble of our country. I hope, friends, you will understand the each and everything in the proper way. So, Jai Hind to all of you. When we will again meet in the next video. Thanks a lot of you. Jai Hind.